What's up guys, welcome to Kuma Elite, and we're going to teach you how to install the Tactical Alice SD Conversion Hand Guard. Sorry, let me adjust this. There you go, as you can see. So let's get started. First thing we want to do, remove your pin. Sorry, I haven't seen this for over 4 years. Putting it back on looks kind of weird. How it looks. I'm not going to change it. Let's do this. Grab tools. So I like to have it all set up first. You know, put on your pressure switch, put that on. There you go. Remove the screw at the bottom. Little torque screw. When you install it, just make sure it's tight. Not fully tight, like just tight. So it comes off in 2 pieces. Make sure you unplug. There you go. Once you put it on, it should go lock right in. Push it in. There you go. Get your pen. Be sure everything's lined up. Make sure it's lined up. Oh, sorry. Let me just zoom in and show you. Let me do it again. Take the handguard. Put it in. Push it back a little bit. It should be snug tight with this pin. Sometimes too tight. Let's see. There you go. Should be no wobble. Should be no play. That's when you know it fits. Put on the front piece. Everyone always have issue with theirs where this piece is folded up. I don't know why you guys didn't fix that, but oops, forgot. It's too. I think my wire a little bit. There we go. There you go. Plug it in. Take the torque screw. Oh, this stand. I actually made that myself. So if you guys want one, let me know. Maybe I just put it on the site just in case. But here you go. Let's get back to this. It helps out. And where's it at? Feel it. Oh, there we go. I found her. Let me just sit and do this on your lap. It's a lot easier, but just want to demonstrate it. So when you put it tight, hand tight, should not move. See, flush. You don't have that SD rib. I'm not sure why they have a line that goes across, but people will be like, oh, why don't you get an AP5 SD, whatever like that, but you're still not able to mount stuff. What you're gonna do, put little straps, wrap your light, duct tape your stuff. I don't know. But yeah. Boom. Huh? Simple. Easiest handguard to install. Looks just like an SD. Here you go. Sorry about my workstation. So that's how easy it is to install the handguard. So we have the plain one. If you guys want the plain ones, we have that. Going for the SureFire. Ooh. Oh, sorry. It's blurry. There you go. SureFire. Let me bring it closer. There you go. Basically, all you do is slide it across. For the MP5K version, it should be a lot easier. You just put it in here first, and it slides right in. I know the video is kind of blurry, but yeah. But yeah. I don't like this. When I had it on earlier, it looked weird. I just haven't had it on for about 4 years already. Since the last time I made a video. I'm not sure how long before I made a video, but probably 3 years already. But yeah, I don't like this. This is cool. Also, this Picatinny rail is at an angle, so it's easier to hold with your hand. See? Put this way, or if you want to wrap it around you know, like that if you want to. Easy. I'm having the vertical foregrips. They're being finished right now. I just have to paint them, make them look prettier. But yeah, the vertical foregrip one is really nice too. So yeah, you don't have to, you know, screw crap in or whatever like that, or use some type of strap you find in Home Depot or anything like that. So I'll make it easy for you guys. So yeah, no issue with the sling pin mount. Don't mind my mount. I like it here for some odd reason. Just, you know, simple as that. If it snap off one day, snap off one day, who cares? Or maybe I'll just make handguards with QB mounts. I think I should start putting QB mounts into it. Here we go. Handguard installation, easy. If you guys want to say for the video also, I made this piece for the SB guys. So, oops, sorry. Show you. That's how it looks like. I got bored one day with my daughter when we started sewing. Made a camel version, just for fun. Here, after I take it out, that's how it looks like. Let me put this down real quick. So the inside is smooth, flat. You see, it's nice in the inside. Oops, sorry. Yep, nice from the inside. The outside, I just want it to be grippy. Like when you have it on your shoulder, pretend it's your shoulder, you know, you're like, I don't want to move. So yeah, I like this finish. Put it again. Yeah, looks good with it. If you want it for the ARs, I have one made for the SB Tactical for the MP5 also, which is this version of the brace. I know everyone has this brace. I'm making an insert for it too, so yeah. It's gonna be up on the site in a few days too. But yeah, if you don't want to spend extra money and you're like, crap, I already have this ready, I just want to add an insert, I'll have it on the website. So yeah, making extra things just to help people out. Just moved here recently, so everything's been very hard. You know, with a 3-year-old daughter, everything's hectic. Like, the time go by too quick. So I'm 100% focused on my stuff right now, so yeah. Handguards for you guys. SD Tactical Atlas SD Conversion Hand Guards. I keep moving it, it won't. There we go. So we're trying to settle in, get used to this area. Also, for the MP5K or AP5M guys, a guy messaged me earlier. He said, how about for us? We don't have no capability adding a suppressor. Well, I'm gonna make a handguard for you guys, specifically for the AP5Ms, and you guys can have like fixed suppressors. So you guys just slide on, boom, fixed suppressors. I'm gonna post it up on maybe less than a week or so. I'm gonna do a few tests of it to see how it holds up, and if it's good and if it really flush and looks nice, I'll post it up for you guys. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, the Rebs. These feel better than the original ones. The standardized one, the one the little thing in the middle, I'm not sure why. It's from their mold or something like that, but mine doesn't have that. You can count you can count all the ribs in there. It's a lot. Yeah, this is a screw down here that holds the shroud on. No one's gonna see it, but you see, can't even tell. Yeah. It has a exact cutout, just like the HK ones. See? Yeah. Hold on. And another update. since if you guys stay here to the last part of the video, optic mounts, we're going metal, so give us about a month or two. It's a new version. I don't want to show you guys that, but it's like crazy optic mount. It's gonna be here probably like in a month or so, so give production times and it should be ready. We found new CNC milling big companies who's willing to help out with our project. Oh, let me just zoom in so you guys can see more about it. The whole gun is kind of weird, but yeah. Oh yeah, for you guys, I'm a for the the regular guys, the K series, I would say the short ones. It's actually slightly longer, so it actually will extend more. So you guys have more room for your pressure pad switch. That's why I extended. It's gonna look cooler. I was thinking about making two different versions of the pressure pad switch where it's here for you guys. It's cool. Click down here with your hands, but after playing with it, I actually wanted to be more candid. I think about having up here, like, I'm not sure if you guys can see, like, but I'll be able to press right up here instead. Just feel much more comfortable. So I'm thinking about up here, so that way you guys be like click, 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 click. So that's an idea. I like the offset of it, because you guys have so much little rooms to work with compared to the full size. We could put pressure pad switch, whatever we feel comfortable with, where it's kind of universal, where this, it has to be catered to the K series and the M series. So yeah, I'm gonna make a more offset version in a few days. So it should be ready in like 3 days. Give me like 3 days, it should be done. Since I still have to watch kid do this and take care of a lot of stuff. So yeah, thank you for staying this long in the video. Much love. We're still here in PA, still making this in-house. Thank you. Kuma out. Thanks guys, stay safe.